Actually, hindi lang ako happy. Very happy. Kasi noong araw, hindi ako naniniwala doon sa mga sabi-sabi ng mga matatanda na mapapalapit ka lalo sa apo mo, sa anak mo. Iba pala talaga yung feeling, if I may borrow your word. Pag interest na yung... kasi anak mo yung capital, tapos yung interest yung anak. No, but I'm really happy and I enjoy being a grandfather. And I thank the Lord, thank God for this blessing. At a very young age, may enjoy ko maging lolo. So by the time siguro mag-teenager yung apo ko, medyo malakas pa ako. So depende sa point of view mo. In my case, at least, medyo malakas ako so we can spend more time together on physical interaction, like going abroad or maybe sport.